Hi my friends, I'm Amy. Welcome back to My Crafty Home. Today's video, we are going to do something really fun. I've been waiting for this day for so long. Let's head over to the house and see what's new with the house. This is exciting. I wanted to talk a little bit about the channel before we head over to the house. I know some of you have been here for some time now and really have come to see all the videos about crafting and things like that. I haven't had time to craft and I feel awful about that, but we're in a new season now and we're really building, and that's kind of what we're doing. We're building. So I don't have time to put together all these beautiful decorations, things that I want to put in the home. I'm kind of feeling a withdrawal from my home and really trying to put my heart into my new home. So if you're interested in seeing all those crafting videos and cooking and nature, that will all happen again. It's just we're in a season now that we're sharing the new build for you. Well, with all that being said, let's head over to the new house and see what's happening. Also, if you're interested in some of the new boxes that I have just purchased, well, you wouldn't know what kind of boxes. These boxes are for my dishes and stuff. I am packing all of my stuff, all my china and all my glasses, things that I don't want to get broken. I am starting to pack all those, and I bought some new stuff on Amazon that really helped with the process. And I will share that with you after we visit the house. Oh, I did all the moldings. Look at that, that looks beautiful. Moldings. Oh my word. Oh my gosh, we've got a kitchen. Hello. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, we've got a kitchen. Babe. Whoa. Look at that. Let's see. Oh wow, look at that. We've got a kitchen. We've got a kitchen. Wow, look how pretty. Let's come see. Very nice. This will be where our stove is. That's where our sink is there. That's our dishwasher. Look, that's going to be our microwave. And we'll have 2 drawers. Look how pretty. I love the colors inside. That is stunning. Nice. Spice rack. Oh, it's like, and they do close. Nice. Easy close. Can you open those? Here are our cabinets all opened up. That should have a lot of space for all of our cooking items and maybe crock pots and all that good stuff. Oh wow, they put in the bathroom vanities. Oh wow, look at this, so pretty. Oh, I love the colors. Look at that. All right, let's see our bathroom. Nice. That will be our vanity in the bathroom. That will go in. That's our tub. But they did all the moldings. Okay, that's still got a little bit left to do. And they are coming in nicely. Oh, they're doing the floor moldings in here. Oh, wow. Oh my gosh. Brian, they did all the molding in here too. So there you have it. We have a new kitchen. I'm so excited and so happy to share that with you. We were just thrilled, as you can hear in my voice when I went over there. I was just like ecstatic. But like I mentioned earlier, I have some boxes that I wanted to show you. Boxes that you wouldn't think that are just like boxes. They are moving boxes for china, silverware, glasses, cups, plates, and I absolutely love them, and I wanted to share them with you. So if you're interested in these products like I have, I've tried them out, I love them, so I'm definitely giving them 2 thumbs up. I'm going to put a description in the box below, so if you guys would like to have some of these, please do check them out. I think that you'll really enjoy them if this is something that you need. So these are the boxes that I mentioned. They are awesome. They have all my china in them. They are so durable and amazing. Let me show you how they work. And I don't have any in those, but I will because I have plenty. Well, as you can see here, here's the box that I was mentioning. It is so durable, and this here is, you know, it's nice and durable, and like, so you can put something on top of this, you can stack them. It has a wonderful little area where you can see what's inside. And you can see these are my grandmother's china, so I wanted to keep these protected. And it does come with liners. So this one here is a liner that they come with, a whole bunch of liners. Just put those in, and you can stack these, and it's very durable and has wonderful handles. These things are fantastic. So if you need some of these boxes to put your china in, I will put a link down below so you can take a look at them to see if these would be good for you. Well, thank you all for coming today. We are so glad that you were able to join us. Do check out some of the links down below. I have an Amazon favorites, and check out some of the things that are in there. There's a few things that maybe you might like, and I definitely give them my 2 thumbs of approval. I would never share anything with you all if I didn't think that they were good products. But anyways, we do hope that you can join us in our next video. Here's a video we think you'll enjoy, and we hope to see you in the next one. Bye everyone.